So this is your transmission control unit for the Ford Focus. You got mounting bolt, that's the top, so it sits like that on the gearbox. One there, one there, one there, one there, so 4 bolts. You got your plugs, so this is the TCM end, that's the vehicle end, it actually says it in there. Vehicle, transmission, down the bottom. You've got your, these are your gear engagement shafts, so they're electronic controlled. This unit was ordered off the internet and it didn't program, so bit of bad luck there. So what we have to do is take that airbox out if you want to change it. A couple of clips here, easy to take off. So to remove the TCM, you take your breathers off your airline, your airbox, get your sensor here, take that off. Undo your clamp. Take this little rubber bit off. This is how you change air cleaner too in this. Because you can't do it in car. It just pops up. So your TCM sits right on the edge of the gearbox there. That's your clutch engagement solenoid, electronic controlled. There's another one down the bottom. So you got a 10mm bolt holding it on that you get with just normal spanner there. And we'll go underneath, have a look at that. So this is what it looks like from underneath. Module's right here. Just sits on the side. You've got another solenoid here, that's your clutch engagement solenoids. You got to take your plugs off, 2 plugs, 1, 2. Just pop them off with a little screwdriver. Another one up here, it's plugged on. And obviously your bolts. You got one there, one up in behind there, one here, and then there's the one at the top. So that's your trans control module, where it sits. You got codes on the side here, so there's numbers on there you have to match up. I think it's a A2C 53377 498. That one under the barcode.